The withholdings could be different depending on how your company chooses to do bonus withholdings. But that all washes out when you go to actually file your taxes. That could result in a little bit of money back to you in some cases if you over withheld. But sometimes bonuses I actually see more often going the opposite ways. They tend to be under withheld because especially if you have two spouses that are working, they're probably not always rolling it up to the max tax rate. But if you have two high income spouses and then you roll all of their income up, likely that is new money being taxed all the way at the highest rates. And you might be under withheld there and actually have to make up for some of those bonus payments later on, which is really just a good planning point. If you're getting bonused, right, to understand how is it being taxed? Are you withholding enough or not enough? Or do you want to send some of that to your 401k or other savings? Some companies will actually allow you to pick some of that to automatically send. So you might fund your whole 401k contribution at the beginning of the year when you're getting bonus, which could be a nice way to kind of closer to automate that savings of it.
Automation is huge because if you do have a plan, we know, again, if we think about bucketing money, we're not going to evade something that has a name to it for the most part. But when we have these extra payments that we're going to get, automating is huge because it takes the friction out of having to make a decision over and over again. Again, you have the plan in place and you'll abide by the plan versus impulsively maybe spend some of that.